I see why the government is looking to curtail multiple small business deductions, and that's what's being done with this proposed legislation that's coming into effect. However, saying that, some of the people that practice in that manner as doctors or lawyers, would have an ability to claim a small business deduction otherwise if they practiced individually, let's say. So there may be some discrepancy between how they apply it to, for example, the sole practitioner or people practicing in a partnership to have greater use and greater resources as the partnership can deliver more services to clients. Changes to the professional corporations were made, or professional structures were made, but it wasn't the wholesale changes that we were expecting, which was good to see that the government is taking a pause to probably reflect on how the best to implement some of these things. So the changes that happened in the Quebec budget, where they were saying professionals have to employ more than 3 people or now work more than 5,500 hours, those aren't in anymore in the federal budget. What they did bring in, though, was certain anti-avoidance measures that impact professional partnerships, whether they're medical partnerships or legal partnerships or even, for example, accounting partnerships, where there's a corporation that provides services and gets eligible small business deduction, and it avoids the specified partnership income rules. Now those rules will apply to those types of corporations where the shareholder is related to a member of the partnership, and that will impact a lot of our medical and hospital partnerships that we have across the country. So the other change that will impact some of our businesses will also be, and clients will also be, around the changes to the eligible capital property rules which they've brought in. So specifically, the government did announce consultations in the past, and now they've actually said that from Jan 1, 2017, they're going to treat goodwill, such as eligible capital property, as a capital property. So that change is going to come into effect. And what that means for, in the small business owner context or the SME context, is that it will no longer be taxed at business income rates. It's going to be taxed at capital gains rates subject to the refundable tax regime. So the individuals will lose out on the deferral that would otherwise have been available and pay the refundable tax, and only get that tax back when they pull those funds out of the corporation. So that is something that will eliminate the deferral for some of our clients and clients that were looking to do transactions and sell some of their businesses.